Hi friends, welcome my channel Crochet Best. Today you will see in this video very beautiful high neck sweaters. I hope you like these sweaters. It's unique and beautiful. In this video I'm giving two ideas: high neck sweater designs, color schemes. You make it home very easily. Some my friends know crochet work, so he make the high neck sweaters, and some my friends wool cloth business. Watch my video and choose color schemes, designs, and make at home. If you like my videos, please give me the comments. Please like my video, sharing with your friends and relatives. Subscribe my channel and support me. Your support is very important for me, and you all friends are very important for me. You see my videos and give the very ideas for my videos. So friends, my English is not well, but I am trying best. Some friends are very supporting and very cooperative, and I'm very thankful to all my friends. Bye, take care.